Welcome to this Pluralsight presentation. My name is Andrew Mallett and we're going to take a look now through regular expressions. So when you're quite ready, we'll take a look at this. And yes, I can understand how you're feeling, but each one of these characters has a special meaning to regular expressions, and we're going to be looking at decoding, or if you like, trying to make sense of all of this. So Danny needs to understand and implement regular expressions, and in doing so he will understand anchors, ranges, boundaries, quantifiers, and we'll end up by validating data. We're going to have an employee file that we have to work with DIY-RUs, and we want to identify those employees who don't have a valid social security number. So a regular expression is going to fit nicely into the equation here. A regular expression itself is just a sequence of symbols and characters expressing a string or pattern to be matched within a longer text. Let's see what we mean by this. So this is a regular expression. The options that we're using /b at the beginning and the end are just saying there's a word boundary. So we're looking for the word colour. But we don't mind whether the C is in uppercase or lowercase. So that's a range specified by our square brackets. Of course, it might be spelled in the American format or the English format, so we can make a character optional by including the question mark after it. So U question mark means that we can have 0 or 1 U following the O and before the R. So we're matching on colour, colour, colour and colour. When we talk about anchors, we can see the use of the caret, meaning the beginning or start of a string. So we could search for root being at the beginning of the line or string. The dollar symbol then is correspondingly at the end of the string. So in this case, we're looking for the character 4 being at the end of the string. So let's jump into the command line now of our Ubuntu desktop and see how we can use these anchors. And again, whilst we're demonstrating regular expressions, we're going to be using grep, although future demonstrations will be able to see those same regular expressions with awk and sed.